Challenge, you see the challenge that is going on in your country, I can actually do some you mean don't leave me challenge? Yeah, but I am scared that I will say some chemistry joke right now, then I will not get reaction. Damn! Wait, chemistry reaction. Chemistry reaction. Wow, Charlie, wisdom. Now let me give you some wisdom. I was outside last night taking some fresh air, and the air was telling me something. Can I say Airtel? Hey, Charlie, just take me to Nigeria inside. Okay, now my turn.
Okay.
My teacher said there's a place where the sea and the ocean meet. Then I went to the beach to go and see, but I couldn't see beyond the sea. Beyond the sea. Wait, Beyonce. Beyonce. Wow, wisdom. Charlie, don't depart from me. Stay with me. Oh, Charlie. Let me give you another wisdom. You know you Ghanaians like to compare yourself to Nigerians, but your celebrities like controversy. Why Nigerian celebrities are taking control overseas? Controversy. Control overseas. Hey, they can't diss my country. Charlie, I know they diss now. I just dey play. I dey display.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga.
Hey, child, wisdom. You be fucking boy. I know say you no be envelope, but I'm about to address you. You want to address me? No problem now, but I want you to know that it will take me 7 days before I reach my destination, cause my system is weak.
I'm the goat, man.